Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel. In this channel you can see so many maths videos, educational videos, puzzle videos and fast maths tips. By that you can just simply become topper of your class. Please share, like, subscribe my channel. Hi kids, welcome to maths class. So yesterday's class we just started playing with the numbers and we just learned what is a factor, and we just learned that 1 is going to be the factor for every number, and not only that, along with that we just try to find out some factors, or for the given numbers we just try to some factors. And now we are going to learn what is interesting facts about factors and multiples. Collect a wooden or paper strips of length 3 units. Join them end to end as shown in the following figure. The length of the strip at the top is 3 units and the strip below is 6 units. So the next strip will be 9 units and the next strip is continuing this way. We say that the numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and they are called multiples of 3. So the list of multiples of 3 can be continued as go on like this. Each of these multiples is greater than or equal to 3. The multiples of a number of 4. So nothing but here with the strip what we are showing, just simple, we are showing that multiples of 3. Not only 3, any number. Always the multiple of a number is greater than whatever the number you are finding, because the first number will be that and after that you will be going on like this and there is no end. That's what they said. The list is endless. Each of these numbers is greater than or equal to 4. Each number is greater than 4 and except the first one. So let us see what we conclude about factors and multiples. Now we are going to we will decide after reading all this, after finding the factors of different numbers, what we finally decided. What we finally decided, is there any number which occurs as a factor of every number? Yes, nothing but 1. Whatever the number you will select, just you will select 1 is going to be the factor of every number. Can 7 be a factor of itself? Means in 7 table you will get 7? Yes, of course. So every number is a factor of itself. What we find out? 1 is going to be a factor of every number and every number is going to be a factor of itself. What are the factors of 16? The factors of 16 are this. Out of these factors, do you find any factor which does not divide 16? Try it for 20 and 36. See, what they are asking is, every factor is going to divide the number exactly. Yes? So that's what they are asking here. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Means if you divide 8 with 16 or 16 with 4 or 16 with 2, you will get remainder 0. That is called exact divisor. So if you are going to do divide that, you will get exactly remainder is 0. So that is the reason we are calling those are called factors of the given number. Now what are the factors of 34 to 1, 2, 17 and 34 itself? Out of these, which is the greatest factor? 34. So nothing but the greatest factor is whatever the factor you are finding, that is going to be a 34. So every factor is less or equal to the given number. So always the factors should be less than the number, given number, and equal to the given number. And one more thing is, the biggest factor or the greatest factor is the number itself. The number 76 has 5 factors. How many factors does 136 or 96 have? You will find that you are able to count the number of factors of each of these. Even if the numbers are as large as like this or larger, you can still count the number of factors such numbers, though you may find it difficult to factorize such numbers. We say that number of factors of a given number are finite. Finite is nothing but we can count. Means whatever the number they given, even though if it is a bigger number or a smaller number, we can say that it has either 10 factors. You can able to count. For example, 36 is there. You can say that it has 5 factors or 6 factors. Like that you can able to count. Whereas coming to the multiples, you can't count. It is endless. Continuously it is going on like that only. So that is the main difference between factors and numbers. Whereas factors are finite, whereas multiples are infinite. What are the multiples of 7? Obviously 7, 14, 21. Nothing but your table, 7 table. You will find that each of these multiples is greater than or equals to 7. Of course, each multiple is going to be greater than 7 or equals to 7. What will it happen with each number? Yes. Check the multiples of 6, 9 and 10. Okay, we will check it out. We find that every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. We already discussed that. Write the multiples of 5. They are 10, 5, 10, 20. Do you think this list will end? No, the list is endless. So number of multiples of a given number is infinite, whereas the number of factors of a given numbers are finite. This is a major difference between factors and multiples. Can 7 be a multiple of itself? Yes, because 7 ones are 7. Will it be true for other numbers also? Yes. 3 ones are 3, 12 ones are 12, 16 ones are 16. So every number is a multiple of itself. Not only multiple, every number is going to become a factor of itself also. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Also if you add the factors, you will get 12, and 2 6 are 12. It is already there in that. Find the sum. We find that the sum of the factors of 6 is twice the number. So if you add all the factors, you will get this, and we are finding the factors of 6, so it is going to become the twice, means 2 times of that number. The same thing he done with 28. If you add all the factors, you will get 56. So twice the 28, twice 28, 2 times of 28 is 56. Not only for this, for any factor you can do it, you will get the same thing. The sum of the factors of 28 is equal to the twice the number 28. A number for which sum of all its factors is equal to the twice the number is called perfect number. If you, in such cases, those numbers are called perfect numbers. Means here in example, the numbers are 28 and 6 are perfect numbers. The numbers 6 and 28 are perfect numbers. Is 10 a perfect number? We will see by finding the factors. Okay, we will try to find out the factors of 10, and we will find whether it is going to be a perfect number or not. So for 10 it will come one table. Just now we discussed in one table 1 is going to become a factor of each and every number. Other than 2 and 5 you will not get any other thing. So the factors are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Now we will add this 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 10. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 10 is 18. But twice of 10 is not 18, so that is the reason 10 is not a perfect number. Okay. So is 10 a perfect number? No, of course we all know that. Write all the factors of 68. We'll find the factors of 68 now. 168 is 68. So if I want to check whether it will come in 2 table or not, we already know that each and every factor is going to become an exact divisor of that. So 2 3s are 6 and 8 will come down. 2 4s are 8. So 2 34s are 68. Now in 3 table you will not get. 4 table we will see, we will check even with 4 table also. 4 ones are 4, 6 minus 4 is 2 and 8 will come down. 4 sevens are 28. So 17 fours are 28, nothing but 4 into 17. And 5 table will not come, 6 table will not come, 7 table, 7 nines are 63, it will not come. 8, no, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the factors of 68 are 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. Let's see what are the factors of 68 he got. So he also got the same factors. Now we already find the factors of 36. So coming to exercise 3.1, we'll just find out the factors. Okay, before that he just given an example. Factors of 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. We already got 6 2 times, so that is the reason we are writing like this. Okay. Now write first 5 multiples of 6. So how to write first 5 multiples of 6? Nothing but 6 table up to 6 5s are you should write. First 5 multiples of 6 is equal to 6 1s are, 6 2s are, 6 3s are, 6 4s are, 6 5s are. So the answers will be 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. If you ask more, we will go for the other numbers. Okay. I hope you all understand my class. If you want to prevent coronavirus, wash your hands oftenly, as often as possible. Cover your mouth with the mask. Thank you, Corona warriors. Thank you for your support towards the corona patients. Thank you. Thank you for watching.